Well, hello there, folks. How y'all doing? Guys, we have a little bit of a problem. We went out and bought this 1990 GM pickup, and it is fully analog, like right out of the Stone Ages. Doesn't really have any kind of electronics in it whatsoever. And this summer, we want to do a bunch of camping and off-roading around Vancouver Island, and we want to make videos while we're out doing that. That creates a little bit of a problem because there's not much of a charging system in the truck, and we need to keep all of our batteries fully charged so that we can be bringing you guys videos. Luckily, DJI has a solution for that. I'd like to introduce to you the DJI Power 1000 Mini. Now, first off, one thing the DJI Power 1000 Mini has going for it is that it is mini, and that's fantastic for us in our tiny lifestyle. As you guys know, we live on the road most of the time, and when we're not living on the road, we live in a tiny house. So having a small power bank is fantastic. The Power 1000 Mini can be thrown onto the bench seat of our truck super easy. Just sits right in the middle between Meg and I while we're driving, and we can charge all of our devices while on the move. As well, living in a tiny house, this thing stores in the corner super easy and can be brought out in the event that we lose power during the winter. We can plug in all of our devices, our Starlink, lights if we need to, and then when we get power back, we can easily store it back in its little nook. DJI has included some innovations in this power bank that set it apart from other power banks, which I'm really stoked on. Just little things that make the difference. First off, check this out. That right there is a retractable 100-watt USB-C cable. Now, I can probably speak for all of us in saying that you've probably forgotten your charge cable at some point. Well, DJI was like, this happens to a lot of people. We should just put one in our power bank. 100 watts is no laughing matter. We go through batteries like crazy when we're out camping and shooting. As you guys probably know, if you've been following along for a long time, we fly the drone a lot. And keeping those batteries charged is very, very important to me and our videos. So being able to fast charge our batteries is fantastic. The Power 1000 Mini also has a secondary USB-C charge port right here, two 12-watt USB-A ports, and it's got 4 AC ports that will deliver 1000 watts or 1200 watts in the event that your AC accessory or appliance requires a little bit of extra power. Now, the second little innovation that DJI decided to install in the Power 1000 Mini is this. Boop. Now, this may seem trivial, a little flashlight built into the actual power bank itself, but it's totally super handy. Inside the cab of our truck right now, we have no cab light, which poses a bit of a problem if we're rooting around in there looking for something at night while we're camping. And if we have the Power 1000 Mini in there, we just turn on this flashlight and we'll be able to find anything that we're looking for super easy. As well, if you happen to have this thing inside of the tent, just aim it right up at the ceiling of your tent and you'll have lots of nice diffused light to be able to see anything that you're looking for in there. It's simple, but it's little innovations that make the difference. So not only is the Power 1000 Mini really small, it's also super tough. I have literally seen guys drive over these things with their trucks. So you know that it will stand the test of time. You can really put a beating on this thing and it will come out on top every single time. DJI is a trusted electronics manufacturer. You better know that this entire video was shot all on DJI products. By now, we're really entrenched in the DJI ecosystem and we absolutely love their products. You know that this thing is going to put in work for a very, very long time. If you guys are interested in getting your own DJI Power 1000 Mini, make sure to check out the link in the description below. That is all for now. I'm gonna go camping, bring this thing with us, and you can rest assured that all of our drone batteries are gonna be fully charged so that we can bring those beautiful videos and shots to your screen sometime soon. Thanks for being here. I'll catch you in the next one. Later.